Gunite Renovation that was done in the village of Laurel Hollow, New York. That's Syosset, Nassau County on Long Island. The pool has a natural shape to resemble a pond with two waterfalls and a natural stone coping. There's a handsome dude helping me taking the video. He wants me to throw the ball. The pool was prepped, starting with removing some of the loose old marble dust. Then as it washed, then was naturalized and primed. The wall water bond coated with the product that helps the new finish adhere to the surface. We finished the pool with the gray marble dust. We also marble dust the waterfall, all the shafts where the waterfall come into the pool. This is the latest Gunite Renovation, completed by Gapsy in Laurel Hollow, New York.